Hello friends and followers. Well, here's a Tec Omni 6 that I picked up a while ago off of eBay. My good friend in Canoga Park, California said this would be a good thing to buy. He noticed it for me, so I did purchase it. Anyway, this thing had a flaky 2.4 kilohertz filter. So anyway, here's the filters on the Omni 5 and Omni 6. They're all about the same. Anyway, 2.4 goes here. Oh, it's all in the diagram here anyway. 2.4, 1.8, .5, and .25. So this one is loaded. And what I noticed was the filter, it looked fine. I took it out and resoldered it. I wasn't getting any real throughput through the 2.4. It seemed kind of flaky, so you can take these out pretty easily. Just don't bend them up, but just use your finger and grab. There's 4 pins holding these in, so catch your finger and try and ease it out without breaking it. I want to show you the underside of this filter if I can get it out, but maybe I won't get it out. We'll see. Okay, there it comes. Maybe you can wiggle it back and forth a little bit now. You just don't want to bend up these pins. Well, let's see. Screwdriver. Maybe I can get it out that way. You just don't want to break these. All right, that's coming out. There it is. Anyway, I just resoldered the bottom of the filter, and that seemed like it brought it back to life. So happy about that. The filter looks like this for the 2.4. These only go in one way. You want to look for the pin, which is kind of all by itself. It's not grounded. And that would go here, and that would go here. So as long as these 2 pins here, that pin there and that pin there go into here and not ground, you're good to go. So anyway, that fixed the board up. I just touched all these solder joints and came back to life. I'm not sure if the crystals are bad with the red on them, or our factory was mucking around with these, but it seems like the board came back, so happy about that. Put it back in, just line these up and push it down. Maybe also in transit, these come loose with UPS, I don't know. Anyway, don't force it, just get it to go in and carefully push it in. There it is. There we go. I'm just gonna push it here, and there, and there, and there. Push it by the board now a little bit. Okay, it's seated. And that's that. So how does radio work? Well, pretty much like this. I think my battery shot, because I keep defaulting to 14. Let's go here to 40. There we are. Anyway, here's the filter. Guess I can turn this over. So what's interesting is if you find some CW here, let's see if you can find some. Okay, well there's something making noise right there. So 2.4 kind of broad. You go here to 1.5, is it? A little better. This is where it gets interesting. This filter here is really narrow. You can still hear it, but same tone. And this most restricted filter, you can't really hear it anymore. Is that filter working? I thought it was. Hard to say. Okay. I'm getting S-meter readings. So there is something getting through. If there's no filter, like if you go here, it will conk out and nothing, right? So let's see, narrow. Yeah, see, I have nothing narrow in here, so narrow will take out the signal. So this most restricted filter is receiving. It's just the 250 hertz is all you're going to hear, so it's very low. It's very bassy. And I'm not sure how it's useful, really. You really can't hear bass ECW with a filter like this, so I don't know how it's useful. Unless my BFO needs adjustment, and it should sound, I think, more pitchy, right? I'm not sure how it's useful for CW, being so narrow, but it's hard to hear. Okay, there's something. That filter seems bad. Well, maybe I'll pull this one out and solder it up and see what happens. Seems like they all need soldered. All right, that's what's going on. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.